Y'all see this hair? Do y'all see this hair? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Linda. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. This is another hair video featuring Black Girl Magic hair with their cute little packaging, with their little information on the box and everything. Before I get into the video, I just want to say thank you again for 400 subscribers. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to keep on supporting me. I genuinely appreciate every single one of y'all. You guys encourage me every day to keep making videos and putting more videos out. Don't forget to check out the links in my description box. I'm also going to be opening a closet. Well, I already did open a closet, but I didn't post anything on the page yet. It's called Gideon's Closet. That link is also in the description box. If you click on the Beacons link, so you'll see Gideon's Closet up in there. So Gideon's Closet, I'm basically gonna be selling my old used wigs, my old used clothes, purses, jewelry, all that stuff that I don't like want anymore, like use anymore. And just giving it, you know, $4 shipping. That's for all orders. It doesn't matter how big, how small. $4 shipping. That's the, you know, standard for first class. And you'll get your order within 3 to 5 days. So yeah, remember, you order through DM. I do not have a website. I don't want to make a website for it. I don't see the need to. And support your home girl, you heard? So again, thank you very much for supporting me and watching my channel. I very much appreciate it. Now let's get into this hair. I'm not even gonna hold y'all. Your girl is looking a little busted. So I have the wig right here. It came in this little pretty box. And it came with 3D lashes and 3 headbands with a wig cap and their business card, which is also so pretty. I had to push the hair cap back because I'm gonna need to do my edges for this style. So this is the wig right here. It is 18 inches. It is 180% density. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So there's 1, 2, 3 combs. And then I'm just gonna unclip this. Why is it taking me forever to unclip a wig? Like, so this is what the wig looks like. Look at that pattern. So gorgeous. It's like a wet water texture. This is my second headband wig, by the way. My first video, you could go check it out, it's somewhere on my channel. But this is so pretty. I'm gonna put it on just so I can see what it's gonna look like. Okay, it feels secure. Hey! So I'm gonna pull out my edges. I don't know if I should like move my cap back. I don't do my natural edges often. See, so this is the edge control that I use. I love this edge control. I'm not gonna lie, it could be a little messy, but you know, it's the Edge Booster Strong Whole Water-Based Pomade, and it is the pineapple scent. I have it in like a mini container. There's bigger ones, but I want to try it out first, and so far I like this, so I will be getting it in a bigger container most likely. So let's do our edges. I just like how smooth it is. Like, it just be laying the hair. Like, look, get into it. Get into it. Like, I just finna be slicked. Hello.
But they didn't raise me, so fuck their opinion. Yeah, he gone off the perk, now he raising his meat. I don't think that's a nigga that you wanna.
And the thing, I'm just getting into it. That's how you know I'm being reckless right now. It's no wonder it's so smooth. Like, it's because it's water-based. And then I'm gonna move to this side. Let me add a little bit more. I have to add this to my little grocery list to restock. Now, that's why I never do my edges before makeup, because this is how it be looking like. So I don't know how my sideburn looks. Now we're going to be applying the wig now that my edges are in a way laid. So I clipped it and it's secure. So it does not feel like it's gonna move. Let me like shake my head so y'all can see. Pretty, right? Sometimes these headband wigs be making me wanna like not put a headband on. Okay, so you could wear the headband like this, or you could cross it over like that. I don't remember how it came, but it came looking some type of way. But also, you know, put your hair in a ponytail. I don't want to though. You can style headband wigs any way you want. I haven't styled it yet because I'd rather, like, you know, keep it facing towards the back. Where's the other scarf that I have? Oh, I think I'm wearing the scarf that was in my last video. I think these were the 3 scarves, but y'all get the gist. So now I'm gonna be wearing another headband so y'all can see. The thing is, I think the last headband I was wearing, like the first one, it was definitely for another company, so I apologize about that. This one is from this is from the original company that I'm supposed to be wearing. So that was embarrassing. And I feel like it has more, these have more coverage. So yeah. It's golden hour. Hold on. This is what it looks like, and it is very cute. This is adorable. So that's this headband. Now we got one more headband left, and that's this cute little one right here. I don't think this is like a crossover headband like the other ones were. I think this one you just pop on, pop off. This is cute, but it's covering most of my edges, so let me pull it back a little bit. So and that's that. These are all of the headbands. Very gorgeous, very beautiful. Thank you, Black Girl Magic Hair, for sending me this wig. It's very gorgeous. I love it. Like, I love the texture. The density is perfect. This wig, you can style it however you want, and it is very affordable. Just click on the link in my description box so you can get you this hair also, because it is very beautiful, and I definitely recommend, especially if you've never had a headband wig before. So that'll be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, especially if you made it this far. But that'll be all, guys. So make sure to check out the links in my description box if you want to get put onto codes, different discounts, and all types of stuff.